Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right. In addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one subtraction here, one multiplication here, and inside of the parentheses we have one subtraction. Now according to the rules, first we solve parentheses. Now we have one parenthesis here, inside of the parentheses, so 5 minus 2 inside of the parentheses give us 8 minus 3 give us 5, and you know here's multiplication, so 8 minus 3 give us 5. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication, so according to the rule, first we solve multiplication, then we solve subtraction, and the equation become 5 minus 2 times 5 give us 10, and now we subtract 5 minus 10 give us minus 5, so the final answer is minus 5. Thanks for watching.